5 people share £100. We want to prove that at least one of them gets £20 or more. Here we're going to use a method of proof called contradiction. We assume that the statement, at least one of them gets £20 or more, is false, and then show that this cannot be the case. So here we're going to make the assumption that all of them get less than £20. And we're going to go on to show that this assumption cannot work. We have 5 people sharing. Let's assume that their amounts are A, B, C, D and E. We need these 5 amounts to add up to 100. So we need A plus B plus C plus D plus E to be equal to 100. But since they are all less than 20, it follows that A, B, C, D and E, all being less than 20, will result in a sum which is less than 100. And herein lies our contradiction. We assumed all of the amounts were less than 20, and we've shown that they then cannot add up to 100. So that proves the statement above that at least one of them gets £20 or more.